Welcome to SciTech AI Utopia. Today I will give you 50 most beautiful landscape ideas to be used in prompts when generating AI image landscapes or even when just writing a sci-fi story. As always, you can use lines like these next to the ideas to make photorealistic images. You can listen to these to recall various landscape ideas when you next try AI art generators. Here it goes. Rolling hills covered in lush, vibrant green grass and wildflowers. A serene lake surrounded by towering mountains and lit by the northern lights. A tranquil beach where the sun never sets, casting a perpetual golden glow. A towering forest of ancient redwood trees that seem to touch the sky. A waterfall with crystal clear blue waters cascading into a serene pool. Underground caves illuminated by bioluminescent fungi and crystals. A perfectly clear turquoise lagoon surrounded by white sandy shores. A valley filled with ethereal mist creating an enchanting dreamlike landscape. Deep canyons with red rock formations contrasting against a bright blue sky. Expansive fields of golden wheat waving in the breeze. A mountainside covered in vibrant blooming orchids. A series of hills with colorful layers resembling a natural rainbow. A group of islands with phosphorescent waters and starry night skies. A hidden grotto filled with moss ferns and a small peaceful waterfall. A desert filled with striking amber dunes. A cherry blossom grove that is in constant bloom, creating a sea of pink petals. A serene oasis on the moon with reflective pools and exotic lunar flora. A glacial lake with icebergs and crystal clear blue waters. Rolling meadows with soft white flowers and a feeling of tranquility. A vibrant and diverse coral reef teeming with marine life. Mountains with multicolored rocks that shimmer in the sunlight. A high plateau with amethyst geodes and panoramic views. A lush rainforest with towering trees, colorful birds, and sparkling streams. Cliffs made of pure white stone overlooking the sea. A well-tended vineyard with rows of lush grapevines. Tranquil snow-capped peaks. Open plains with endless skies filled with stars. Hills covered in fragrant lavender fields in full bloom. A group of picturesque islands with emerald waters and white sand beaches. A serene forest bathed in the soft glow of moonlight. A futuristic city with shimmering glass skyscrapers and neon lights. Gardens filled with vibrant red and orange flowers. Underwater caves with bioluminescent marine life. A frozen tundra with shimmering ice crystals under the northern lights. An oasis surrounded by celestial phenomena like meteor showers. Fields of tulips in a myriad of colors creating a vibrant tapestry. A towering mesa with intricate rock formations. Cliffs overlooking the sea where waves create a soothing serenade. A waterfall surrounded by moon rose in the mist. A coral reef filled with vividly colored coral and fish. A city of golden buildings and streets paved with shimmering stones. A dense forest with vibrant red canopies in autumn. A canyon with a winding river and a breathtaking night sky. Fields of golden sunflowers stretching as far as the eye can see. Springs with water so clear you can see the bottom. Ice caves with otherworldly blue ice formations. A meticulously landscaped garden filled with intricate jade sculptures. An opulent palace nestled beneath the sea, adorned with precious gems. A serene lake with willow trees that sway with the breeze. Hills covered in fragrant lavender fields beneath the moon's soft glow. These ideas can help you in science fiction too. You can use these to create millions of dream images using AI art generators. Thank you for watching, and I will close by saying I think rather than going to faraway planets, more effort should be made to make the Earth utopia. No need for time travel either. If you can experience any time period, any place in perfect VR world simulations, and even customize them to your liking, and may eventually, as emulated minds, experience years of time in mere days. Happy making dream images, and one day we will be making VR worlds